If you're looking to earn money online by promoting web hosting, the A2 Hosting Affiliate Program might be worth checking out. In this video, I'll break down how it works, what the payout looks like, and whether or not it's a good option compared to other hosting affiliate programs. First off, the A2 Hosting Affiliate Program is completely free to join. You don't need to be a customer to promote them, and signing up is fast. You just create an account, grab your unique tracking link, and you're ready to start referring people. Now, let's talk money. A2 Hosting offers a tiered commission structure, which means the more sales you refer, the more you earn per sale. You start off earning $85 per sale, but if you refer more in a given month, it jumps up to $100 to $120 and even $140 per sale. That's a strong payout compared to a lot of other hosting programs. There's also a no cap, so technically you can scale this as much as you want. A2 is also known for good conversation rates. That's because their hosting is fast, reliable, and priced competitively. They offer shared VPS, dedicated, and reseller hosting, so there is something for every type of customer, and that helps with conversions. One downside, payments are made via PayPal and only after a 45-day holding period, which helps them prevent fraud and refunds, but it can be slow if you're just getting started. Still, once you build momentum, it's a solid stream of passive income. Overall, if you're in the blogging tech, digital marketing, or small business space, the A2 hosting affiliate program is definitely worth considering. High payouts, a trusted product, and a solid support make it a strong pick for anyone promoting hosting. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to sign up or learn more. And if you have used A2's affiliate program before, drop a comment and share your experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest affiliate program reviews and digital income tips.